Hello, 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 everybody out there. Thank you so much for joining me. It's Root Beer here, your friendly neighborhood mathematician, and I'm going to be looking at the Grade 10 Cayley Math Contest from the year 2018. If you'd like a copy of this contest, you can click the very first link down in the description, and you can get a copy for yourself. You can print it out, or you can just read it online. If you don't want one, I always show the first question I'm going to do at the start of each video, so you can pause and try it then. But I always try and get you guys to practice these questions because it's so much more important for you to practice your math than to just watch me do math, or watch someone else do math, or read solutions that someone else has written up. I mean, there's a genuine element of discovery when you are trying to work through a problem on your own. Okay? So with all that said, I'll be going through one question at a time, as I usually do for any of my videos, at least any of my contest videos. And so we're looking at the Grade 10 Cayley here. It is the 2018 paper. As usual for a Cayley or a Pascal or a Fermat, 60 minutes, so 1 hour. There's multiple choice answers. A, B, C, D, and E are going to be our presented answers here. Okay, only one of them will be right. Calculators are allowed. Always make sure you bubble in. Something that I would encourage you to take a read through is the scoring system. That can help you strategize as to how to do well on contests if you're actually writing them and not just, doing them for fun or practicing them. Okay? And practicing your scoring strategy or your strategies for doing the most questions, getting the most score, is something that you might want to actually work into your practice. Anyway, we're just going to jump into the contest with question number 1 for this video, and then 2 and 3 and so on. So if 3 times n is 6 times 2, then n equals. Okay, so you might reach for your calculator. I really hope you don't, because you should hopefully be able to do this in your head. 6 times 2 is 12. 3 times n, well, what times 3 is 12? 4 is going to be your answer, and it's going to be E. Now, I usually like writing something down, even for the very basic question numbers, number 1. So we'll say 3 times n is 6 times 2 is 12. So that tells me n is 12 over 3, and that is 4. And we just said that that was E. But that's all there is to it. Question number 1 is usually a very, very simple arithmetic question. I usually say the first 5 questions on the contest are ones that you should be very comfortable doing very quickly. Depending on how good you are at math, how many contests you've practiced, like whether or not this is a brand new thing for you, the questions might ramp up in difficulty more quickly for you than, say, others. The last 5 questions are usually quite hard, so if you just want to tune in for 21 through 25, because there are 25 questions on the paper, that's okay. Just jump to those videos. But up next will be question number 2. I hope to see you there.